What's going on, everybody? Josh, starterraingutterbusiness.com. Today we're going to go through a common problem that all my guys have, especially when it's hot out in the summer, and it's these little black marks. I'll show you guys how to fix it. So the marks I'm talking about are these guys right here, and they happen kind of every time you stop the machine, and I want to just show you guys what causes that and how to fix it pretty easy. So we'll hop up here, and I have the top plate off. This is a KWM machine, so all the rollers are designed the same and everything. I know most of you guys are using K-style, but this is the one I'm working on today, so I figured I'd show you. So what we're looking at here is the drive stations, is what they're called. These have polyurethane rollers, these red ones, and they're the drive stations. So this machine has 4 of them, I think, and then a normal K-style machine has, like a 5-inch K-style has 2, I believe. So you don't really have to worry about the one on the top because that just runs on the inside of the gutter. I always clean the one on the bottom. So step 1, just hose down a rag with some brake cleaner. It evaporates pretty quick, so you got to be kind of time sensitive about it, but put it on jog just in case it sucks your finger in and you don't want it to. Maybe it'll stop it. I'm not gonna say this is the safest way to do this. This is just the easiest way. So let it run. I have the button held right now on jog, and I just take my rag with brake cleaner and kind of just rub all that off, mainly the rubber, because when it's hot out like this, it makes this rubber sticky and all the junk kind of sticks to it. So now you can see all that stuff on my rag. So now we'll move to the second one back. This one's a little harder to get to. The K-style ones aren't quite as bad, but you just want to be careful. Make sure you're paying attention to what way that's going. So you can see these big black marks. This little stuff will get us all off. So pay attention to which way that's going so you don't suck your rag in the wrong way, a way you don't expect. That one was pretty dirty, so we'll hit it again with the clean part of the rag. You want to make sure all these are kind of equally sticky, and then they'll transfer metal to the next one if you don't, or dirt to the next one, so you have to do all of them. Otherwise, it doesn't work very well. And when it's hot out like this, like if you don't want any marks, you pretty much have to do this like almost daily, every morning. When it's cool out, they don't seem to stick junk as much, so you don't have to worry about it quite as often. And you have it. Quickest way to get rid of your black marks on your gutter. Nice and easy. A little harder in the van. In the van, you have to take all the lid off to get to them. And I wouldn't recommend reaching down from inside of there and running it. Probably just clean one part at a time if you're doing it from the top. But anyways, tech tip of the day, clean your gutter machines. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next one.